Back. Just a couple more quick calculator problems here. I wrote this first one on here. Graph y equals 2 cosecant x plus pi fourths. Compare it to the reciprocal function. Okay, so the reciprocal function would be, you want to keep that 2 the same. Okay, so the a term, if you will, in front of that thing stays the same. So it's 2 sine x plus pi fourths. 2 sine x plus pi fourths. So here we go. Let's put that in. So here's the 2 cosecant x plus pi fourths. Let's punch in the reciprocal function. And as you might expect, it has a little bit interesting behavior here. Whoops. Stop talking and start typing here. Okay, so there's our 2 sine x plus pi fourths. You graph those things. And you notice, okay, there's your 2 cosecant x plus pi fourths. Right, that's going to move that thing over pi fourths amount, right? That plus pi fourths. Of course, the 2 is going to move it. Change things as well. And then there's your 2 sine x plus pi fourths. And again, notice that your hills and valleys are the same, right? Hills and valleys are the same. And notice that your zeros, your x-intercepts here, are actually your vertical asymptotes on the original cosecant function. You know, and if you think about that, well, the cosecant is 1 over sine x plus pi fourths. So wherever sine of x plus pi fourths is 0, that is where I have the vertical asymptote of my cosecant function, right? Now the other one that we looked at, or that's up here, is the other one, sorry, is I need my mic, I guess, is negative sine of pi x over 2. So what would be the reciprocal function to that? Well, you want to keep the negative the same. And you say, well, what's the reciprocal to sine cosecant? So negative cosecant pi x over 2. Okay, so negative sine pi x over 2, and let's do that real quick. Negative sine, make sure you put the parentheses in here correctly, pi x divided by 2. You see all those parentheses I gotta have? Okay. And then again, the negative stays in front, and I go cosecant. So I go either cosecant here, or again, or if you wanted to, I could just go negative 1 over, yeah, I got the negative 1 in front, times, if you will, 1 over the sine pi x. Oops, I gotta put that pi x in parentheses. Divided by 2. There we go. Hopefully, oh, missing a parenthesis still. There we go. Okay, so there's your reciprocal function, right? Or negative cosecant pi x over 2, what have you. Okay, there's the negative sine pi x over 2. And there's the negative cosecant pi x over 2. And again, notice hills and valleys meet, right? So the minimums of the one function are actually your relative maximums of the other function. Okay, so you kind of have a feel for these reciprocal functions. Have a great day. See you in class.